Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I got a quick tool haul picked up from Home Depot. Got some soldering stuff, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Small little deal. What is up everybody? How's it going? Hope you guys are having a great day. So before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so on Home Depot, it looks like that they put these items on discount. So I picked a couple up. Might be going back to get the newer version of this guy. So it looks like, from what I've noticed, is this kit right here went on sale for 14 bucks. It's normally like 20 bucks, something like that. Like $18.95, something like that. I think at one point in time, I've been eyeballing this kit for years. I think I saw it at one point in time, it was like $20. Most recently, in the last about year, it was like $18.94. So I decided to pick it up because it was 14 bucks. It was on sale. And this guy right here is the Weller medium duty 60 watt up to 925 degrees. This one actually has the modular phono plug style setup, and it's wireless. You can just plug it in, charge it, and use it when you need it. This guy is usually like $38 or $39, something like that, from what I had seen it probably for the last several years. Last year it went down to like $35, something like that. Well, today I picked this guy up for, I believe it was $26. Yep. So I got this guy instead of $39. I got it for $26. It looks like what Home Depot is doing is that they are getting newer versions of these. So they're discounting the older ones. You can see this one's got a lot of dust on it. So this one I got for $14.06, and this one I got for $26.06. So I decided to pick them up. This one right here says standard duty 25 watt up to 900 degrees, 15-piece wood burning and hobby iron kit. Possible applications: wood burning, hobbies, craft, jewelry, cutting, molding, branding. Application possibilities, it's got in Spanish and another language. It says impact resistant, 11 tips, hobby iron. So the newer version of this one, if I just pull the slide off, so this is just a generic red handle. The newer version actually has a soft comfort style grip handle, and a few extras, I believe. The tips are exactly the same from what I could tell. It's just an upgraded version. The upgraded version isn't much. It's it's $17.98 now. This one used to be $20, and then it moved to $18.98. So the newer one is actually a little cheaper than this one when it was brand new. This one right here, if you guys are looking for it, Whiskey Sam Bravo 25 Whiskey Bravo. And then this one right here is Whiskey Paul Sam 18 Mary Paul. Just a quick tool haul. I'll do a separate video. We'll open these up. I have a couple other Weller units. We'll just, go over them, look at them. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Hope to see you guys on the next episode, in the next video. Appreciate you guys stopping by, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!